this ain't love, then what is? I'm willing to take the risk. Hi. Came through drippin', drip, drip. Came through drippin', drip, drip. Came through drippin', drip, drip. Diamonds on my wrist, they drippin', ice. Came through drippin', drip, drip. Came through drippin', drip, drip. Came through drippin', drip, drip. Diamonds on my wrist, they drippin'. Hey guys, so the time right now is 8:30. It's Wednesday. I'm about to leave home to head to work. I'm going to leave you guys back home today because my battery is quite low because Zesco is really doing the most. Yeah, so my battery is a bit low, so there's no need to carry my camera. And I don't really feel much whilst I'm at work, so yeah. I'll catch up with you guys when I'm back home. I should be done for the day at like maybe 2 p.m. somewhere there, so I'll see you guys in the afternoon. Bye. So I'm back home now. I'm just about to eat. I got some food on my way home, so I'm just about to eat that. Probably going to watch something as I eat. I don't know. I'm going to call my best friend. Yeah, and I'll show you guys what I'll get up to, but there's still so much unpacking I need to do. I've unpacked most stuff, but there's still a lot that like I need to do. It's now like 3 p.m. I just spent about an hour just zoned out on the couch, but I feel much better. I was very tired when I got home, but I feel better. I think I just needed to eat. So yeah, I'm going to try my best to create some order in my room.
I'm hopeful, yes I am hopeful for today.
Good morning guys. So I don't know what day it is today. I don't know when last I spoke to y'all. I'm trying to find the light. Today is Monday. It's like 6 something and I'm taking this gorgeous girl to school. Hi. Okay, yeah, so I'm about to start my day now. So I just decided to come home and get ready from home because home is on the way to work. So I did that quickly. It's like 8 something now. I'm about to head to the airport. So yeah, let's go. Yo guys, I have had quite a morning. So I went to the airport, right? Initially I was at the airport and I thought initially you know what, actually let me just, I don't know. So I went to the airport and I thought CAA had moved. Well, it has, but the department that I'm looking for is still at the airport. So first of all, I just spent like 2 hours just trying to like find a bank. I finally managed, and they told me that I need to go back to the airport. So that is where I'm going now because I need to do this like today. I'm so hungry. I feel tired already. It's just like 10 and I'm feeling exhausted. But yeah, so I'm heading back to the airport now. It's a few hours later. I've managed to drop off my license and logbook at CAA. I am about to head to ShopRite to get something to eat and some cleaning like materials because today we are going in hard. No, I don't think so though, but I need something to clean the house with. It's like 5 now, 4 to 5 p.m.
I think. I just got home. There's no power, so the first thing I'm going to do, I have to open. I got a fridge and a TV, so I basically need to unbox them and get them up and running. There's no power, so they won't actually be running, but at least they'll be up. Other than that, I'm going to have to cook something because I can't eat any more takeaway. Yeah, so I'm probably just going to open up the stuff, clean the living room a little bit, and yeah, make something to eat.
I'm always dreaming about you. I'm always dreaming about you. I'm always dreaming about you.
I'm going to have to use both hands to take the rest of these out, so I can't show you guys, but yeah, I love it. I absolutely love it.
I'm always dreaming about you. 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 I'm always dreaming about you.
touch, blur my vision. Sure, friends know. So much trouble you get.
I'm always dreaming about you. I'm always dreaming about you. I'm always dreaming about you. Came through drippin', drip drip. Came through drippin', drip drip. Came through drippin', drip drip. Diamonds on my wrist, they drip.